Welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Goa to get 7 new bridges. Construction work to begin from 15th August. Government to borrow 570 crores from NABARD and HUDCO. Government bans fishing during June and July, ban for 61 days. Government reduces ban days from 75 to 61 after meeting with all stakeholders. Biometric attendance issue of Margao Municipal Council far from getting over. No concrete decision even in third joint meeting. DMA to submit report on enforcement of biometric system to the High Court by 15th June. And Goa Athletic Association along with consultants inspects the athletic stadium and track at Bamboli for Lusavonia Games. Association satisfied with the ongoing preparations. Now the news in detail. Goa will get 7 new bridges soon. The construction work will begin from 15th August. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed the media that government will borrow 570 crore rupees from financial institutions like NABARD and HUDCO for the proposed projects. Parrikar also mentioned that hike in milk prices in Maharashtra and Karnataka will not affect milk prices in the state. Parrikar also denied receipt of any letter from the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways directing the state government to withdraw entry tax.
फुडल्या 4-5 दिसांनी टेंडर येतलें. बेती बुल has been approved. तुयें कामुर्ली has been approved. तो ग्रेड सेपरेटर केरी तिराकोल has been approved. शिरोडा राशोल ते सगळे धरून साधारण 570 कोटी लागले. Work will start on 15th August for most of the bridges. HUDCO we are taking some loan. We are taking some loan from NABARD. They will be paid over a period of 4 or 5 years. एक वटेन ब्रिज चालू जातले दुसरे वटेन पेमेंट चालू जातले. तेरी तेरेखोल bridge is 270 meters single span from this end to that end. There is not even on the beach. So directly on the hard rock or to the high rock. 270 meter direct span, single span. Panji, for example, there will be only only 2 pillars. One about Beti, and no road will come on the existing road. Everything will end on the existing ferryboat ramp. हांव तुका सांगता हांव कसोच वाडोवपाक दिवचो ना. पण म्हजे कडेन गोवा डेरी येवन ना. त्यामुळे आय एम नॉट कॉमेंटिंग ऑन डेरी. They have not come to me, so I am not commenting on them. As far as I am concerned, I will not permit a single pie increase to anyone to increase the milk. So PWD incidentally I म्हणून ताका खबर ना. ताणें ट्रान्सपोर्ट सेक्रेटरीक म्हणून बरयला. ताजी येवनी ताका पयली ताका हो अधिकार बरोवपाचो कोणें दिलो हो पयलो क्वेश्चन कॅबिनेट सेक्रेटरीक वतले लेटर. Who is he to and why he is releasing these letters to the CC marked person first before even state receiving the letter? I am questioning the propriety of the officer. I am going to raise this with Prime Minister and Cabinet Secretary. I have copy which I received from the media. I have marked to Transport Secretary to put up the file to me. I will personally write to Cabinet Secretary from since when IAS officers have been trained in politics. म्हाका अजून ऑफिशियली येवच ना म्हणून सांगता न्हू. म्हाका लेटरूच पावना. हांव तुमच्या हाजेर तुका उत्तर दिता जे तुमी दिला कॉपी म्हाका पळय कोणे तरी मिडियान म्हाका दिली कॉपी ताजे वयल्यान हांव तुका सांगता. कालवी ब्रिज इनॉग्रेशन वील बी समवेअर अराउंड बिटवीन 20th June and 30th June. आमी एक डिसिजन घेवन तांकां एप्रुवल दिला की दे शूड शिफ्ट द ब्रिज बिकॉज ऑफ चॅनल from 120 clearance to 100 clearance to 120 clearance. Auspicio आणि Ozilo आणि GMC is now being handled by GSIDC आणि आमी तिकडे कित्याक आतां PWDच्या प्रोसिजरान तांकां रिक्वायरमेंट हातून भयंकर मोठो प्रॉब्लेम जाता. So we have started doing that. We are appointing consultant. Yesterday consultant has been approved. So now consultant will float tenders for small work and get it done. उदकाचो बोवाळ मारता GMC. The problem with GMC is not water supply. The problem with GMC is there are many of the subordinate staff or maybe someone else, I don't know who, steals the tap. And udak magir bhasa kuru wawat hota. So we are working on those, even those,
This year, fishing ban will be enforced for 61 days. Fisheries Minister Avirtano Furtado said that fishing ban will be banned during June and July. Government decided to reduce fishing ban period by 15 days after holding a meeting with all the stakeholders. CM had announced ban period of 75 days during budget speech.
Goa government has decided to increase fishing ban from 45 days to 61 days. Still, stakeholders of fisheries industry would have a sigh of relief as the government had earlier decided to impose ban of 75 days. Government has decided to impose ban during June and July. Fisheries Minister also said that government is also studying prospects of providing fish at cheaper rate like the horticulture outlets of vegetables. But definite direction regarding this project will be known only after 3 months.
Taking into consideration all the views from all the sections, now the decision that we have taken with the Honorable CM and the Director, we have decided to have 61 days ban. That's from 1st June to 31st July.
With senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Biometric attendance controversy at Margao municipality is far from getting over. Even the third joint meeting with the Directorate of Municipal Administration could not resolve the issue completely. Meeting has decided to enforce biometric attendance system only for administrative staff, but nothing has been decided over making it mandatory for 200 and odd field workers. DMA will submit its report on enforcement of biometric system to the High Court by 15th June.
Employees of the Madgaon Municipal Council are registering stiff opposition to the newly enforced biometric attendance system. DMA and Madgaon Municipal Council Chief Officer met for the third time over biometric system issue on Tuesday. Employees have given a nod for implementing biometric system for administrative staff only. The issue of its enforcement for field workers remains unresolved. 94 employees of Madgaon Municipal Council out of 324 will now register their attendance through biometric system. Chief Officer of Madgaon Municipality says gradually all employees will be made to register their attendance through biometric system.
All the employees are agreed to. At present, we have taken steps to take only administrative staff who is working in the office for biometric finger scan. And also from first it will be made compulsory, and for time being we have resolved this matter, and we will think of other stuff later on, or amicably we can solve that matter also.
But problem is who are working outside, they were objecting on this issue.
No, they were not clear whether it was compulsory for them when they work out and they have to come in the office and punch. But now we have made it compulsory. When they are in field, they are below they have to work under their supervisor or in charge who is there, and their attendance will be taken up by that person. They did not have to come to office again to punch line. So that was clear to them, and they have agreed.
This meeting which was held in pursuance of the directions given by the High Court, asking both the parties to appear before me. They have appeared with immediate effect on trial basis and with effect from 1st June on a regular basis.
A reporter from Panji, Mukesh Kumar, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.